Parklive's first considerations when designing an EV charging system for a residential building are: 1. Efficiency, to reduce the overall power requirements. 2. Using the highest quality components to ensure future reliability of the system. And finally, of course, 3. We are dedicated to keeping the financial cost and the impact on the environment to a minimum. Here's one example of how we achieve that. When traditional cable arrangements are installed for EV charging infrastructure, the costs can quickly mount up. Most EV manufacturers will require every charger to be directly connected to the power supply. Breaking an installation down using this out-of-date approach, just 6 charging bays, starting 30 meters from the power supply, will consume almost 220 meters of armored cable. And cable is not the only cost to consider when taking this approach. But this example racks up over £2,000 for cabling materials. Labor would cost up to £4,500 for 10 installation days. Meanwhile, the copper and PVC in the cable will have an environmental cost of 452 CO2e of embodied carbon. By contrast, Parklive's solution and the Zaptec Pro system are designed specifically to reduce costs and provide a more efficient result for developers. A single, 3-phase cable is installed to supply all 6 of the Zaptec Pro chargers in our example installation. The entire, equivalent installation will require less than 60 meters of cable to be run. Comparing the same 4 categories as the previous, outdated design, it is easy to see the savings. Cable costs are reduced by over 80%. Installation is faster too, saving almost £3,000 on labor as well as the time. And finally, the embedded carbon cost makes this installation over 30% less impactful on the environment.